Bybit will be launching a new token on their Launchpool. In this event, you'll be able to farm this token for free, and you just need to come to this more button right here and navigate to this launch pool, press this launch pool, and you'll be able to find this token right here, NIBI, right here. Staking is going to end in 30 days, 16 hours, 50 minutes, and the total reward in this pool is 3,750,000 of this token. The APY right now is 341%. Mind you, the more people stake in this pool, the more this APY will go down. And right here, you can stake this native token of this pool, NIBI pool, to receive 284 APY, because this pool right now just opened, and total of 5,631 people have already participated in this pool. And if you be staking USDT in this second pool right here, you'll be getting 72.18% APY. And if you are a VIP on this Bybit, you'll be getting separate APY. So right here, if you want to participate in this USDT, you just need to press this register now. You see you have successfully registered for this event, and press OK, and you'll be able to stake your token. If I press this right here and I want to stake my token right here, I can just press the amount of token I want to stake, or cancel, or press this max right here, max, and it bring this out. I'm just going to press this and confirm. Okay, and I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to press this stake more, because right here, people, I'm making this video at midnight, so I'm going to just post it immediately. People are still sleeping, or depend on your time zone, so this APY is going to still run till tomorrow. So people stake when this pool open, they are going to receive good APY maybe in next 5 hours or 10 hours, when a lot of people discover about this launch pool on this Bitget. They are going to keep on staking, and this reward will go down. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to receive quick update about cryptocurrency, on how to make money or how to get token, and generally information about crypto. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. So I'm going to see you on the next video.